Good morning to all of you. Hope all of you are safe and keeping fine during this quarantine period. Stay safe, stay healthy. I am Sister Renzi. I will be giving you a detailed explanation of Kingdom Monera, which comes under 5 kingdom classification. Kingdom Monera consists of unicellular prokaryotes. Main members are bacteria. Bacteria is plural form while bacterium is singular form. As you all know, bacteria is present everywhere. For example, there will be approximately 100 billion bacteria in 1 gram of fertile soil. Bacteria was first discovered by Antony van Leeuwenhoek, the father of microscopy. Based on the shape of bacteria, it can be divided into 4 groups. They are coccus, spherical shaped; bacillus, that is of rod shaped; spirillum, that is of spiral shaped; vibrio, that is of comma shaped. Example of cocci is Streptococcus pneumonia, that which causes pneumonia. Example of bacilli is Bacillus anthrax, that causes anthrax. Example of spirilla is Helicobacter pylori, that causes peptic ulcer. Example for vibrio is Vibrio cholerae, that causes cholera. On the basis of mode of nutrition, bacteria can be divided into two, autotrophic as well as heterotrophic. Autotrophic are able to prepare their own food, while heterotrophs depend on others for their food. They depend upon other living organisms for their food. Autotrophs are again divided into photoautotrophs as well as chemoautotrophs. Photoautotrophs use light energy, while chemoautotrophs derive energy from chemical reactions. Heterotrophs, again, they are divided into holozoic nutrition, saprophytic nutrition, and parasitic nutrition. Parasitic will be able to live on plants and animals, while saprophytic depends on dead organisms for their food. Kingdom Monera is again divided into two main groups. They are of Archaebacteria and Eubacteria. Archaebacteria means ancient bacteria. Eubacteria means true bacteria. Now let us see Archaebacteria. A special feature of Archaebacteria is that they are found in extreme and harsh conditions. For example, in the volcanic hot springs. They are extremophiles. That means extreme condition loving. So there should be something special with Archaebacteria which makes its life in this possible condition. And that special feature is that they have cell wall, polysaccharides and surface layer proteins, or we can call it as S-layer proteins. The S-layer proteins provides both physical and chemical protection based on where they are found. Archaebacteria are of halophiles. The word means salt loving. So they are found in extreme salty areas. Methanogens. They are found in marshy or wetland areas. They can be found in guts of cows and buffaloes. Methanogens are responsible for the production of biogas from the dung of these animals. These are extremely sensitive to oxygen. And the third one is thermoacidophiles. They are both heat and acid loving. They are seen in the hot sulfur springs. That's all for today. Thank you. Let us stay tuned.